Scene script. Picture this. You're cruising along the highway and suddenly your car engine cuts out. What do? Many people believe that you're in for a disaster, that there's no way to steer or brake. But is that really true? Buckle up as we delve into this and debunk some of the biggest myths about driving. Myth 1, no engine power equals no steering control. There's this widespread belief that if your car engine dies while you're driving, you'll lose all control. However, the truth is quite different. While it's accurate that power steering will become more challenging, it's not impossible. You still have control, albeit with more effort needed. And remember, safety first. Always pull over to a safe spot. Moving on to myth 2. Manual transmissions get better mileage than automatics. This myth was indeed true in the past when automatic transmissions were less efficient. However, with the advancement in technology, automatics have caught up and in some cases even surpassed manuals in fuel efficiency. So it's not about the type of transmission anymore, it's more about how you drive. Next, let's tackle myth 3. The faster you drive, the more fuel you burn. Now, this might sound logical, but it's not entirely true. Yes, speed does affect fuel consumption, but it's not a linear relationship. Your car's fuel efficiency depends on numerous factors, including its design, weight, and aerodynamics. So it's not just about the speedometer. Here's a shocker for myth 4. Premium gasoline makes your car perform better. Many believe paying extra for premium gas will boost their car's performance. In reality, unless your car's manufacturer specifically recommends premium fuel, using it won't make a noticeable difference. It's more about the engine's design than the fuel type. Lastly, we have myth 5. Red cars are more likely to get pulled over. This one's a classic. The idea that red cars attract more attention and hence more tickets is widespread. But there's no statistical evidence supporting this claim. It's the driver's behavior, not the car color, that often leads to traffic stops. In summary, we've debunked 5 road myths today. We've learned that losing engine power doesn't mean losing control. Manual transmissions don't always get better mileage. Speed isn't the sole factor affecting fuel consumption. Premium gasoline doesn't necessarily enhance performance. And lastly, red cars don't attract more tickets. So the next time you're behind the wheel, remember the facts and don't let these myths steer you astray. Safe driving is all about understanding your car and the road. Now, you're a bit more enlightened and ready to hit the road with confidence.